Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. Hope you all are having a great day. I'm having an alright day myself. I'm just really tired. Taking a day off work because last night I just did not get any type of sleep. I was up and down all night. My brain just would not shut off. It was going through some things. I don't know what was happening with my subconscious, but I'm feeling it this morning. I have little to no energy, but I did want to bust out this video because in the time of not getting any sleep last night, I did manage to get something positive to happen. So, if you've been following my videos, you know that I have been struggling to get my rosy boa Cogsworth to eat. It's been a little bit of a stressful thing for me. Last night, while I was incapable of sleeping, I did have an epiphany though. I was looking on Facebook and I came across Carla from One Soft Kiss here on YouTube. Her posts about her newer ball python and how it would not eat unless she was holding it. And so I thought that was interesting because I never really heard about that, anything like that. You know, whenever you see people posting about holding their reptiles while feeding or whatever, you know, in the groups, there's always a lot of slack being, given. They get a lot of crap for it. People don't look at it positively, but it was working to get her baby to eat. So I decided to just go ahead and try it with Cogsworth, cause since I wasn't sleeping anyway. I went and thought about like 3 pinky mice, and I pulled out Cogsworth and I held him for a while, and then I just kind of offered him the mice, and it took him a minute because he kept trying to go towards my fingers. As he kept moving towards my fingers, I just kind of kept moving the mouse up where he was going towards, and eventually he opened his mouth and he took the pinky mice, real cute, like he wasn't even hard striking. He just kind of opened his mouth and took it and ate it. And then it took a little probing, but he ate it. He eventually grabbed hold. He stopped thinking about my hands as the food. I had to keep the mouse warm as well to keep him realizing that there was something else there, not just my fingers. But yeah, he ate 3 pinky mice last night, and that was really exciting. I was so happy to see it. He ate them right out of my hand. And I don't know. I don't know why he needed that. I offered him live. He didn't take it. I've offered him frozen and thawed of various sizes. He didn't take them. But the moment I take him out and hold him, and then like hold the mouse in my hand and try to feed it to him, he takes them. So, I mean, even then, he still like took a little bit of just like hovering around the mouse and figuring it out and like trying to see between the difference of my fingers and the mouse. But he ate and he did it no problem. So I'm really excited about that, and just really wanted to share that with you all today. Again, I'm very sorry if the volume is not coming through. I just don't have the energy. I'm very tired, but I did want to share that while I had enough energy to do this. And just so I don't have to go, more than 2 days without posting for you all. So, alright, I'm going to go try to get some rest. Like I said, I don't sleep very well during the day, but it's worth a shot. I gotta try because I'm tired and I'm grouchy. So, that being said, you guys have a great day. TWR out. Love yourselves, love your family, love your reptiles, and keep spreading those herbs.